Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this perfume as requested by one of my viewers. Thanks for the suggestion. We'll be looking at how to say more names from fashion and luxury. So made by Guerlain. Get ready because it's a bit of a mouthful to say in French. Spiritueuse Double Vanille is how we would say it in French. Spiritueuse Double Vanille. Okay, so how can you pronounce this in English? Well, spiritueuse, I guess, spiritueuse double vanille. So it's not vanille. You don't pronounce the L's in this word in French. Vanille. Just replace the W, the double L by a Y. So spiritueuse double vanille. Or in French again, spiritueuse double vanille. And now you know. I'm hoping it smells good because it's a mouthful to say, isn't it? Enjoy. In any cases, like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for the support, I appreciate it, and thanks for watching. Merci.